What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday. Let's go over some trades. I'll make it quick too. GoPro finally got to cover my swing from 6 days ago, around average 680. Like I said, cover around 640 area, and then the remaining 620. Sorry, I forgot to draw some arrows, but here you go. Why I chose this was because 640 was support here, and then another 620 at the bottom of that support, but it went obviously lower. Um, nice trade. And another trade I did this morning was Alxn. Saw the morning washed out pretty darn hard, and I caught the bottom. Initially, when it was washing out, I was gonna buy at 120 because on the daily, 120 looked like a pretty good level. But I was looking at the time and not time and sales level two, and it was pretty active on the time and level two. I saw a lot of bidders were being taken out, and then I waited a little bit longer, and then was gonna go enter at 119, but didn't feel too comfortable. Still saw a lot of action going on within level 2. And then 118 hit. I saw a really wide spread, a 30-cent spread, and that's when I hit the ask, because usually when I see a wide spread, it's time for the stock to bounce. And it did, and as it was approaching VWAP, I like to make my quick sale. Um, So that's usually my morning washout plays. And the other one was swing trades. I think I said this in chat, AMPE. I said if it was going to hit 49 cents, I was going to take a long swing, just because I think it's any day now it's gonna surge. So I hit the ask and with some size, but didn't get executed, only a small portion, and then it kept going. So I knew some kind of algos was controlling it, and then I was just like, forget it. I think they're watching my trade. So I took the rest of my orders out, and hopefully I'll get back in this trade maybe around the low 40s. Um, that was that, and then I took GERN swing position. Uh, didn't really work out as I planned it to be. I wasn't expecting for it to break new lows, but I'm still holding it because I do feel I could at least break even on this trade in the next couple of days or next couple of weeks. And I'm hoping to make 20 cents to $5 in this trade, depending. I don't think there's going to be any PR for the next 3 months. If you look at the previous histories, yeah, 1, 2, 3, before any big spikes starts to happen. And that's that. See you guys tomorrow.